guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are gonna whiten the teeth at home. I'm gonna show you how you can use some simple ingredients and get amazing white teeth in no time. So if you're looking to remove stain from your teeth, if you're looking to remove yellow from your teeth, if you're looking to whiten your teeth at home using simple ingredients, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now take a look at our first ingredient, and here I have some fresh ginger. Now ginger helps remove plaque from your teeth. It helps to reduce any staining, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to support a healthy mouth. Now it's best to use fresh ginger over ginger powder. You definitely need the fresh ginger for this recipe. Now let's go ahead and prepare the ginger before introducing the other ingredient. So I'm gonna wash and peel my ginger as I'm showing here. After peeling, I'm going to be blending, so I'm going to chop mine in small pieces for easier blending, and then I'm going to add it to the blender and I'm going to blend. Now do not add any liquid to this when you are going to blend, just blend the fresh ginger as is. Now once the ginger is blended, I'm going to pour this in a strainer since I'm going to extract only the ginger juice. So just strain the juice from the ginger like I'm showing here. And take a look at this. Here we have our fresh ginger juice. And now let's put this aside and move on to the next ingredient. Now take a look at our next ingredient. Here I have baking soda, and baking soda is amazing for your mouth overall since it can help with bad breath. It can also help to clean your tongue, and best of all, it can help to remove stain and plaque buildup from your teeth. An amazing ingredient to use to brush your teeth, whether alone or mixed with other ingredients. Now moving on to our next ingredient, which is toothpaste. When it comes on to the toothpaste, you can choose to use toothpaste of choice. We're using the toothpaste for the minty properties and also for the parasite and the amazing granule that will help to get rid of the stain and build up on the teeth. So definitely use your favorite toothpaste for this recipe. So now that we have all our ingredients together, we're going to go ahead and we are going to mix them all together. So let us start off with our ginger juice and our toothpaste. So we're going to reach for our toothpaste and we're going to pour about a half a teaspoon of toothpaste in. Remember to use whatever kind of toothpaste you have. And next we are going to reach for our baking soda, and for the baking soda I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons, give and take. You can choose to use a little more or a little less. And now that we have all 3 ingredients together, we are going to mix, and we're going to mix well. What we're doing is totally dissolving the toothpaste in the ginger powder and baking soda, so make sure to blend well. Now once this is done, we are going to set it aside for about an hour so that the ginger, toothpaste and baking soda can totally be infused, and then I'm going to show you how to use it on your teeth for best result. You can choose to store this in your refrigerator, but it's pretty easy to make. Make the juice and put it in the refrigerator, and every time you're going to brush your teeth, you just dip a little toothpaste and a little bit of baking soda and mix well. Now, you do not have to brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste before you use this. However, after brushing your teeth, if you want your breath, your mouth to feel even more amazing, then you can go ahead and brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste a second time. However, always rinse your mouth with water before you brush your teeth with this solution. Therefore, if you have any form of a food particles or stuff like that, you will get rid of them before start brushing your teeth. Now, if you have sensitive teeth, be mindful. Do not brush for more than, a minute or so. For those of you with no form of a sensitivity, go ahead and brush your teeth for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna dip my toothbrush in the solution, and I like to give it a stir, so just stir it before you use it to make sure that everything is blended, and then I'm just gonna brush my teeth. So now, while brushing your teeth, try to focus a lot on the front of your mouth, since that's where most people are gonna see, when you smile, when you speak. So now I use this solution all the time, so it's kind of unfair for me to give you the before and after, because my teeth are already looking amazing. So just use it, just take it for what it is. I kind of have sensitive teeth, so when I go to the dentist and they gave me the teeth whitener to try at home, I just couldn't use it because my teeth was way too sensitive and I had to put it away. But this I could tolerate for a bit, and I'm getting amazing results. And you can quickly double dip, just discard when you are finished if you double dip. Okay, so after brushing your teeth, go ahead and rinse your mouth with some cold water. You can choose to brush your teeth a second time with your regular toothpaste. You really do not have to. The baking soda you can choose to. Yeah, I had the bus to run out. Now, use a remedy, as I said before, at least twice a day. And within a week, you're going to notice a significant difference to your teeth. No joke. As long as you dedicate yourself to it, you're going to see amazing results. Just continue to use it along with using a good teeth whitening toothpaste, and you're on your way to awesome looking teeth at home. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Don't you want to have pearly white teeth? Don't you want to have a bright, a beautiful smile? Go and make the remedy. Use it for a couple of weeks and come back and just smile. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget to tune in every Sunday for our live show, Sunday Chit Chat with Khichibeauty at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time. We also have a Friday show, Let's Talk Skincare with Khichibeauty. This is on every Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 10:30 a.m. Pacific Time. You can also follow me on my other social media. I'm on Facebook, Khichibeauty, Instagram _Khichibeauty. I'm also on Twitter as Khichibeauty, and I'm also on Snapchat. So check out my other social media platforms.